So we have integrated our IDE, in this case Eclipse, with Code Commit repository. Any other IDE that supports Git should operate the same way. So let's experience some of the other features in Code Commit. Let's get to the triggers, and let's create a trigger that will notify us whenever a commit happens to this repository. So this is a notify me trigger. The event is push to existing branch, and you can see that you can also add notification if a new branch or tag has been created, a branch or tag has been deleted. So in real scenarios, when you tag a version for deployment, this could trigger a notification, another Lambda function that will take this tagged version and deploy it to some environment. In our case, I will just select push to existing branch, and I will select all branches. And you have two options. You have the Amazon SNS and you have the Amazon Lambda. And through these, you can integrate with many other services, or actually all of the services available in AWS. So let's just assume that we will receive a notification whenever somebody pushes to this branch, and I will select a topic. There are topics by default, so I'll just select notify me, which will send email to my primary email on this account. So I will just add some identification that could committed to demo repository. We can test the trigger, but I will just go and create it. So here we have a trigger. Let's get back to our IDE and make a change and commit this change. So we just changed our files and saved it. Let's get back to Git, move our file to the staged state, add a command. This is third commit, and commit and push to our repository. Okay. Here is the change we just made. And if I open my primary email for this account, I should see a notification. This is the custom notification message I have just received. Let's get back to our repository and get to the commit visualizer. And you can dig into one of these and see the differences between this commit and the original version. Here is the thing that's added. So you also have some helpful tools that you can utilize from the console in addition to the out-of-the-box Git functionality. That's it for our Code Commit Labs. We have created a remote repository through Code Commit console. We have created users, and we have seen how to customize a policy for these users. We have integrated with our repository through the command line, and we have integrated with this repository through an IDE and Git plugins. We have also seen how to create triggers that will trigger custom services in response to actions on our repository. We have used SNS to send notification, and we have seen that we can integrate with Lambda functions, so this opens the door to unlimited integration functionality with any other AWS service. Thanks for watching, and let's move on.